This is Vaughn Coleman. I'm shooting my latest video. Today I am shooting on site at the world famous Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada. And we're going to be discussing a very important topic, compounding interest. Now it's only fitting that we're here at the falls because a little history on the falls. Niagara Falls is actually comprised of three falls, two on the Canada side, one on the side of the United States, and put together they represent the largest water flow in the entire world. Over these falls, every minute there's enough water to fill 1 million bathtubs, in addition to providing enough hydropower to be a significant source of energy for the city of Ontario. Compounding interest is also a powerful force. As a matter of fact, Albert Einstein is often quoted as saying that compounding interest is the greatest invention of all time, the eighth wonder of the world. Now, Einstein, being a genius, was often misquoted, so there's a good chance that he actually never said that. But whether he said it or not, there's more than enough proof that compounding interest can significantly make a difference in our financial future. Now, most people already know what compounding interest is. It's the idea that the money that you save is earning interest, but also the interest that money earns interest as well. So if you put away $1,000 and it makes $50, that means that not only does that $1,000 you save continue to earn interest, but the $50 starts earning interest as well. So next year you have $1,050 earning interest, then a little over $1,100 earning interest. As compounding interest continues to work, your money grows faster and faster and faster to the point where it makes a huge difference in how much savings you're going to have over the long term. There's a rule called the rule of 72, which says that whatever interest rate you're earning on your money, if you divide that number into the number 72, it gives you an idea of how long it's going to take for your money to double one time. So therefore, if you're earning 0.1% in interest in a savings account, that means that it may take 720 years for your money to double once. If you're earning 7%, well, it only takes 10 years. If you're earning 3%, it takes about 24 years. But the more interest you're earning, the more interest is there to earn interest. The problem is many of us have our long-term savings someplace where it cannot earn much interest. And we're losing that power, the power of compounding interest to be able to retire, to be able to put children through school, to be able to help others, to be able to serve our community. So it's very important that we begin to harness this power for ourselves. And if we can harness this power and in addition have it someplace where it gives us a tax benefit as well, even better. As many of you know, I always preach that there's three ways to save. There's taxable, there's tax deferred, and there's tax free. So you want to use compounding interest, and where appropriate, you also want to use a tax shelter. That way you are using the power of compounding interest to your benefit, because if you're not using it to your benefit, the power of compounding interest, I can assure you, is working against you. The cost of goods and services, what we call inflation, on average is going up about 3%. So if you're only earning 1% or 0.1%, you can imagine how much you're falling behind. And there are accounts out there that actually protect your principal, which means that you don't have to worry about your money going up and down with the markets, but still earn significantly more interest than what the average savings account or money market account are earning. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. Now, many of you are going to ask, if I came all the way to Niagara Falls just to shoot this video and talk about compounding interest? Absolutely, positively not. I would have not driven 8 hours making stops along the way just to shoot this video. However, I wanted to see Canada, and this presents a phenomenal opportunity to make a point. This is all I have to say for now. Vaughn Coleman signing off. Thank you for tuning in to my latest video series. More to come. As you know, if you ever need to reach me, I'm your financial planner at 215-805-1219. That number again, 215-805-1219, or by email, bcfinancial@comcast.net. That's B as in Victor, C as in Charlie, the word financial @comcast.net. Thank you, and have a phenomenal 4th of July holiday weekend.